Welcome tech enthusiasts and Atlassian aficionados to Apetech Tech Tutorials, your go-to hub for mastering the art of collaboration and productivity with Atlassian's powerful suite of tools. If you're diving into the world of Jira, Confluence, Bitbucket, Jira Work Management, Jira Product Discovery, Jira Service Management, or seeking to harness the full potential of agile methodologies, then you're in the right place. I'm Alex, your guide through the maze of Atlassian products. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to refine your skills or a newcomer eager to navigate the exciting landscape of project management and collaboration, this channel is tailored just for you. Apetech is not just about tutorials, it's a dynamic space where we unravel the mysteries of Jira and Confluence and everything else under the Atlassian umbrella. From beginner-friendly how-tos to advanced tips and tricks, we've got you covered. But that's not all. Stay tuned for in-depth discussions on agile concepts, interviews with community experts, and insightful reviews on the latest and greatest from the Atlassian marketplace. Subscribe now and join our growing community of Atlassian enthusiasts. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Together, let's transform your Atlassian journey into a seamless, efficient, and downright exciting adventure. I'm thrilled to have you on board. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Atlassian together, and welcome to Apetech Tech Tutorials.